You can easily fix the P1607 engine code by replacing TCM. This means that the powertrain control module has detected an internal circuit failure. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. Method A. The transmission control module. The transmission control module can often be found below the cover at the back of the transmission case. It should be just below the engine control module's position. Visually check the transmission control module itself and its electrical connections for any damages. If the damages are found, then replace the transmission control module. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996. It is commonly found in vehicles like Dodge, Chrysler, Acura, Honda, and Mitsubishi. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.